Creating a course. By the end of this video, you will be able to navigate the courses page, create a course, enroll and unenroll students in a course, add or remove modules in a course. The course's home page is divided into 3 sections. We have filters. In the middle, we have a list of existing courses and a content index to the right. Recall that a course consists of modules, and students can be assigned to it. Let's add a new course. Select New Course. Enter the course's name. Additional information is optional. Select Continue. Select the students that will be enrolled in the course by clicking on their switch icon. Then, click Continue. Now we have been asked if we want to edit this course. If we already have the modules that will be part of the course, we can click on Edit Content. Otherwise, click on Done, then create the modules and add them later on. In this case, we will add a module that we have created, SMAW Basics, and a couple of default modules. Click on Edit Content. Click on the plus sign of the modules that you wish to add to your course. Now, when a student logs into the simulator, they will have access to the course content that you have assigned to them in My Courses. By the end of the course period, students will be moving to more advanced courses, and we will have to assign them to a different course and unenroll them from the one that they just finished. Click on the Courses tab on the navigation header. Select the course that you wish to edit or unenroll students. Click on Manage Students, and click on the green switch of the students that you wish to unenroll. A similar process can be done to enroll the students in a new course, or to manage the content of an existing course, add or remove modules. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.